Hello, it's Lee here from Webber's Estate Agents. Now I'm sat in Harbour Sands in Ropery Road, Ilfracombe. It's a beautifully presented, terraced, characterful cottage currently used as a high quality holiday home come holiday let. Now it produces an excellent annual income and there's more information available upon the business side of this property upon request. Now this property has 3-storey accommodation with 3 really good sized bedrooms, a lovely living space here, and also a nice well-equipped kitchen, separate utility room and a well-appointed family bathroom. Now everything is close by to here. We're right in the heart of the seafront and just a stone's throw from the picturesque harbour, the various bars, restaurants and shops. There's parking very close by, and also the high street is just a short stroll away as well. So let's take a good look around now. So here we are, we've just come in through the main front door directly ahead there, and you come into this large sort of hallway come utility room. So a really practical space, perfect for obviously the washing machine. There it is, washer dryer under the counter there. You've got the gas-fired boiler above for the heating and the hot water. Now there's a really nice sort of feature window between the utility room here and the kitchen, and it's got the Verity statue etched onto it, which is really nice feature because that's very much a part of Ilfracombe now, Damien Hirst's Verity statue, which sits down on the end of the pier, which is just a few minutes walk from where we are now because we're very, very close to the harbour and the seafront here. So the heart of the home is this lovely cosy room, packed full of character. Large TV on the wall there, you've got the illuminated cupboard directly ahead as well, and you've got these really nice sort of painted floorboards which give that sort of oldie worldy feel here. You'll see the stairs going up to the first floor there, and you've got the sort of the rope balustrade, which again is quite sort of nautical themed, and being by the sea here, very much a part of our area. Now this is quite nice, you've got a little step up here into this dining space, and you've got this lovely big solid wood table there that seats 6 people. So it's a 3-bedroom property, this, very much used for holiday letting purposes at the moment, so with a view to sleeping 6 people. 3 bedrooms, 2 to a room equals the 6 people. Now this does exceptionally well as a holiday let, does a really, really good income and does a very good number of weeks throughout the year. So further information is available on the income and the business side of the property on request. So the kitchen is through here, quite a small kitchen but very well set up. You've got a range of built-in appliances here, dishwasher, oven, hob, and then you've got fridge and freezer over in the corner there as well. You've got this nice sort of slate tiled floor, sink in the corner there, and then again you've got this nice feature window that I mentioned earlier on. But both the utility room, which I didn't show you actually, and the kitchen have got these nice roof light windows up above as well, so that allows plenty of light to flood down in. Final appliance here, you've got the sort of the microwave combination oven as well. So you've got everything fitted in here really quite nicely, even though it is a rather small space. So that's open plan to the living space here. And then, as you can see, we've got the stairs which lead up to the upper floors where we've got the bedrooms. So let's head up there now. I've just come up the stairs there. I'm on the first floor landing here now. And on this floor, we've got a bedroom and the bathroom. So immediately on my left, we've got the bathroom. And this is a nicely appointed room, modern white suite. You can see attractive tiling here as well. So you've got the bath with the shower over the top, the toilet, the basin with the vanity unit under, and a heated towel rail. And then you've got the shower and the shower screen over the top of the bath there. So all very nicely done. Understairs storage cupboard there, which is really handy because stairs then go up to the second floor. Now all 3 of the bedrooms are what you could call double sized. This one obviously is set up as a twin bedded room, and these are those beds that will zip lock together. So if you wanted it as a double room rather than 2 singles, those 2 beds can form a double quite nicely. Plenty of room in here, television again in the corner, and lots of space for wardrobes and your furniture and all the bits and bobs that you will need. Now, as this property is currently used as a holiday let, the owners are prepared to sell lock, stock and barrel. So all the furniture and equipment here ready to trade can be purchased by separate negotiation if required. And it is the seller's preference to sell with all the stuff in here. That includes TVs on the wall, linen and all of those sorts of things. There's the first floor. We'll now head upstairs to the second floor. Final floor in the house, we're up on the second floor landing. There's 2 more bedrooms up here, both double-sized, as I say. There's one there, and we've got a double bedroom here. As you'll see as you come in, these are much bigger than you think because they open up around the corner here as well, which is quite nice. So double bed in there. Again, you've got the TV in the corner. Plenty of room for everything, all beautifully kitted out, as you can see. And then over here, you can see there's room for wardrobes and cupboards and things like that that you need just for all your bits and bobs. So there's another bedroom. And then across the landing here, we have the final room in the house, which again is another lovely double-sized bedroom. Again, very nicely done, nicely appointed. TV on the wall, so all the equipment and things that you need. Double bed, bedside cabinets and all of those bits there as well. So there's parking very close by here. There is a large public car park which you can buy permits for through the season to park cars, and you're close to everything here. You're very close to all of the amenities, as I mentioned at the start of this video. So the seafront amenities, shops, bars, restaurants. You've got the picturesque harbour, the Verity statue, and the high street is also just a short stroll away as well. So there we are, that is Harbour Sands in Ropery Road, Ilfracombe, and I'm sure you'll agree with me that it really is a lovely, characterful cottage, this one. Now, of course, great location here, situated in the heart of the seafront, perfect for use as the holiday home with that excellent income potential, but also, of course, don't forget this could be a full-time residence as well. It is available, fully furnished and equipped and ready to go. So to come and view this one physically, please do call us on 01 271 863 091. Many thanks.